Amazon's unleashing AI shopping assistants that know you better than your mom. From hunting deals to health tips, these bots are taking over. Ready to meet your new shopping BFF? Let's dive in. Hey tech fam, Amazon's AI game is leveling up. New shopping assistants are dropping and they're smarter than ever. Today, we're unpacking the buzz. Stick with me. Here's the deal. Amazon's testing a beta tool called Interests. It's like a personal shopper on steroids. Tell it your vibe, say coffee gear or running shoes, and it scours the store, pinging you with tailored finds. Fox Business says it's live for some US users now, with more coming soon. Then there's Rufus, Amazon's AI chatbot from last year, answering questions like best tent for camping, and CNBC just spilled a health-focused bot in the works. Think fitness tips or supplement picks. These AIs are built to shop smarter, not harder. Why is this trending? It's next-level convenience, interest, stocks, new inventory so you don't have to. Ex-users are hyped. Amazon's reading my mind. Roofers cuts through clutter, and that health bot? Perfect for wellness buffs. Amazon's 2024 sales hit $638 billion. AI is the secret sauce, pushing personalized buys. But heads up, it's US only for now, and some say it's too niche. Will it stick? Amazon is all in on AI. CEO Andy Jassy is pushing it hard. Expect wider rollouts by summer, maybe more bots for travel or home hacks. It's not just shopping, it's a lifestyle shift. Could this beat Google's AI or ChatGPT at their own game? 2025 is looking spicy. What's your take? AI shopping genius or overkill? Drop it in the comments.